What is?
My condom don't say man, I'm supreme. My dick is extra large and broke our spleen.
Damn. Alright guys, I'm gonna go pick up my boy Justin. Catch you guys later. Alright, say what's up to the vlog. What's up? Guess what? What? It's my girlfriend's last day of school. Alright vlog, we just got to school.
Yes, sir. And today's gonna be a
Don't go to Kyle, nigga.
Hey, today's gonna be a big day. My bad, it's fine.
Today's going to be a big day.
Yup.
Stay tuned.
Fights.
Say what's up to the vlog.
Bitch. Hey, everyone fucking.
What's up, vlog? What's up, vlog?
No. Yeah,
Hey, Ryan.
I had to catch up on all your vlogs yesterday, bro.
Damn,
Watch
bro.
every single one of them. Same. You're gonna blow up. Watch that.
Yeah,
Watch that.
almost at 1,000 views.
Let's get it, bro.
Hi.
Hey.
Roll them up.
Vlog? Is it vlog? Yeah, it's vlog, bro. Dude, today's vlog is gonna be crazy.
Yeah,
what's gonna happen?
What's this?
I'm
not going to
Like, if you watch any one of them, you gotta watch this
If
one.
you guys watch any vlog, it
Oh,
has to be
wait,
this
is this the vlog that you're gonna...
one. No, that vlog I already posted.
No.
Alright, vlog. We're going to Spanish now. You can see my Spanish class. What's up? Spanish speakers.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah. 2, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
She's probably like the most fluent in Spanish.
Super fluent.
Yes. Alright guys, catch you guys in Spanish. You're in Spanish.
Chicken. Bad taste. Hey guys.
I want you to text dumbass.
Our vlog. First period's about to end. Second period. There's going to be chickens loose around the school.
Yeah.
Chickens loose around the school this period.
For real? Where?
I can't. I don't know if I can. I don't know. He told me not to say, but he doesn't want to get.
It's too much to handle.
No, I'm sure you have to say about chickens running around the school.
Consent is overrated.
There's one right here. He runs like a headless chicken. Just kidding.
Bill Cosby did nothing wrong.
He's like drinking the Starbucks.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
So weird.
It's like a refresher, and then he gets something on his tongue and he goes. Oh, did you get the video? Because it was like the guy went out 65 years of segregation.
There's a fucking chicken. Adam, there's a fucking chicken. What the fuck?
I didn't know there was a chicken in there.
They got a whole fucking chicken, bro. Bro, you seen that shit? That shit was the funniest shit ever. Hey. Did you guys see it? I didn't see it. I got it in the vlog. Enrique told me in the morning he was gonna do it.
Really?
Yeah. So I got it for the vlog.
You just ran in there and threw it or what?
Like that, Alex.
Like how?
Hey, we cute or whatever. I was mad. I'm just kidding. It's my last day. Alex is gonna miss me. You're so good.
Vlog. We're going to Diego's locker. What's up, Diego?
What's up?
Do you want to have a story time?
What?
Do you want to have a story time?
Like my story time or you tell a story?
Your story time.
Oh no, I'm good.
No?
I'm good. Damn, you smell like perfume, bitch. Cause I just put some smells like perfume. It's not perfume. It's not perfume.
Oh, okay, that smells good.
Yeah, it's not good looking.
It's Diego spraying.
Thank you.
Sprays.
Dude, you should have been here, bro.
Those fucking chickens right here, bro.
No, below. And then there was one right there.
Oh yeah, I saw on your story. I didn't see that shit. I'm so pissed.
Bro, I was the first one. I saw Adam walking by, and I was like, Adam, come here, there's fucking chicken in here. Yeah, no, Enrique did it.
Enrique?
Yeah, Enrique.
He said he puked.
Enrique and Elijah. And then they fucking did. Yeah, he said he puked. Yeah. Hey, Sassy. Okay. What's up, bud? Is that the vlog? It's a vlog.
Let's see the cameraman.
Shut the fuck up. Andres Nation.
I gotta say something to the vlog. Alright, so.
Speak a little louder.
What was I gonna say? Fuck. Oh no. Shit.
Dumbass.
Hi guys, my vlog.
Mom, it's your last day. Yeah. Damn, I'll see you, bro. See you, man. You're going outside? Yeah. Our vlog, gym just ended.
We lost 6-0.
We lost 26-0. We got picked off. Last play of the game. Is that what it's called? Picked off?
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah, we got picked off. I look sweaty, so. Guys, there's a tornado warning.
We going down.
We're in lunch period. Everyone's up in this hill.
Tornado in Illinois.
And Ivan, what you gotta say? Skinny mini.
Go crazy. My fucking pizza, man.
Bro, my booty they cold. Ivan, rest up way.
What is the What is the handle gonna do for him?
I know, right?
What's it gonna land?
Kevin!
This dude went to grab the handle.
Bro, right, like what the fuck is doing? The glass is right there.
Keep it up, guys. Good job. We're almost through.
Yeah, 4 more minutes. 10 more minutes until we get to eat.
My phone. Huh? It's in your bucket.
I know. I was saying for you, just in case a tornado did come, I didn't want your phone to be missing.
My knees hurt.
Guys, I'm fucking scared.
Yeah, he went over there. He ran to the door. He ran to the door and held on to it like the door's gonna save him.
I got one here. My brother's in freaking Las Vegas right now.
We've been here for like 40 minutes. Oh, wait.
I'm here dealing with
Stranded here for
we go?
40 days.
storm.
What today?
This is Mr. Nonamaker. We are staying in the tornado warning location.
Started jam. Yeah, no, it's good.
We have to stay, I guess.
This time I actually want to go to class.
Alright, this time I actually want to go to learn. Someone just pulled the fire alarm. Someone just pulled the fire alarm. Holy fuck. Someone just pulled the fire alarm. Oh, someone would do this shit, bro. They're taking their asses outside, bro.
Wait, what's the point of the tornado lockdown if they gonna take us outside? What fucking fire happened?
Guys, we're literally just in a lockdown or whatever. Oh my god. This is crazy.
Can I be in it?
Hey Martha.
Hey guys.
What a fucking crazy day.
Dude, I want to go swimming.
You guys wanna go for a swim?
Yeah, let's go.
Justin, $10.
10 bucks.
10 from me, 10 from him. Jump in that water.
Okay, I want 10 now.
Bro, you got 10?
I'm here with
Dumbass. Women's rights should be reverted.
Say it louder, say it louder, say it louder. Say it louder, bro. Max, I'll give you $3 if you say it louder.
I'm not gonna say it louder.
Dude. It's like 150 almost.
Hey, are you leaving?
They finally let us in. Now, get my locker, my backpack, just in case for some more shit, and I got my keys. Something else happens, I'm gone.
Thursday, my guy.
We got our backpacks. Fuck that sound, sorry.
We're out.
We out this bitch.
Early dismissal. Out of here. So what's the move?
I don't know. Anything. Oh, he's on her phone.
Was it on my phone?
Ruined my plans.
Someone's a really good guy. Yeah. Who is it? I think it's him.
Alright vlog, that's it for today. Today was intense as hell, honestly. Make sure to show some love. Subscribe, like, share this, dislike, comment, I don't care. This vlog was lit.